Why don't senior citizens need bookmarkers? Because the dust on their books tell them exactly where they left off. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on housekeeping for seniors. Tip 1. Gradual downsizing. Senior adults should gradually start downsizing their belongings. This helps in reducing the volume of things to be managed or cleaned regularly. It is advisable to only keep necessary items so as not to clutter spaces. Too many items can also lead to confusion and even injury due to misplaced things. Tip 2. Prioritize safety. Ensuring safety should be a top priority in housekeeping for seniors. Make sure to rid the house of any tripping hazards like loose rugs or cords on the floor. Regularly check the home for good lighting, secure handrails and non-slip rugs. Tip 3. Cleaning equipment. Invest in lightweight, easy-to-use cleaning equipment. Traditional tools may be too heavy or complicated to use for some seniors. There are many ergonomically designed cleaning tools available that are light, easy to grip, and require less physical effort to use. Tip 4. Regular cleaning schedule. Maintain a regular cleaning schedule. This can be daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on the task. Regularly cleaning helps in maintaining a manageable workload and prevents build-up dirt and mess that can overwhelm seniors. Tip 5. High shelves and cabinets. Try to keep frequently used items on lower shelves and cabinets. This removes the need to use a stepping stool, reducing the risks of falling. Store seldom used items higher up, or consider getting rid of them altogether. Tip 6. Take frequent breaks. When cleaning, seniors should take frequent breaks. Overexertion can lead to fatigue and even accidents. It's important for seniors to listen to their bodies and rest when necessary. Tip 7. Easy clean clutter zones. Make clutter-prone zones easy to clean by using built-in organizers or baskets. This can include places like desks, countertops, or entryways. Tip 8. Involve family members. Encourage family members to help with housekeeping tasks. This can make cleaning less burdening for seniors, fostering a sense of togetherness and closeness with loved ones. Tip 9. Clear pathways. Make sure all passageways are clear of items that can obstruct pathways or cause someone to trip or slip. This can be made a part of the daily cleaning routine. Tip 10. Use technology. Use cleaning technology like robot vacuum cleaners to help with the work. These pieces of equipment can be programmed to clean floors daily at a certain time, reducing the workload for seniors. Tip 11. Simplify tasks. Breaking down tasks into simpler, smaller tasks can make it less daunting for seniors. Writing out the tasks in a checklist can be handy to ensure no important tasks are forgotten, and it gives a sense of accomplishment as each task gets ticked off.